MrBeast is considered one of the top content creators, and clearly his work goes beyond just editing videos or creating thumbnails. But trust me, MrBeast truly understands the science behind video, post-production, and the behind-the-scenes content creation. He understands the science in such a way that he's always experimenting. MrBeast is trying to beat MrBeast. He wants to be the best content creator in the world. You should find motivation in that. You should aspire for every company in the world to seek out your creative or creation agency for their needs. You want it to be that you've created a style that everyone copies. You should want to be the best. You should want to be the guy or girl who makes tens and millions of dollars because every single company, from Tesla to SpaceX or perhaps some pharmaceutical company, they use your content creation agency because you're the best at it. Do you want to be that guy? Because that is what this campus is going to make you. It's going to be hard work. It's not going to be easy, but that's who you can become. And don't just take my word for it. We have a channel in this campus, G of the Week.
Yo, I'm Rico on the CC Plus AI campus, G of the Week.
G of the Week.
G of the Week.
G of the Week.
G of the Week in the Content Creation Plus AI campus, and I've made just about $2,000 this week.
$30,000.
35,000 euros within 3 months.
I've made $5,000 in 1 month at only 18 years old. You guys can do the same.
You can be the guy where everything you see, every video, every website, every picture you have made or your team has made, that could be you, and that is what I'm going to make you become.